Hi everyone, my name is Siddhartha Konakanchi. I am here to discuss about my final project, email spam filtering, done in the pattern recognition course EEL 6825 during my spring 2017 semester at University of Florida. First, we see what is email. Email is a modern way of exchanging information from one place to another. The information may contain simple text or images or the files like audio, video content or any Word document or PDF. This email can be sent from a place to a far off distance at free of cost. Email usage has become popular from the years 1960, where they started as a instant messaging service. In this, both the sender and the receiver needs to be online at the same time. But because of the modern technological advancement such as internet, it eliminated the problem of sender and receiver being online simultaneously by introduction of store and forward model. In this model, the email server will accept and store the emails sent from the receiver, a sender. Whenever the receiver logins, he can check the email directly. Email is one of the most cost-effective and instant and fast way of communication. There are several platforms which are offered free of cost in order to send and receive email. They are iCloud, Exchange, Google Gmail, Yahoo, American Online, Outlook, etc. In the merits of email, now we see the demerits or the issues the present email service is facing. The one of the main problem is email spam. Email spam is also called as UBE, naming a unsolicited bulk email or unsolicited commercial email. It is a method of sending the mail containing junk information such as commercial content, marketing content, or any other unintended information to a large bulk number of users, where the user doesn't want to receive that mail or is not intended recipient. There are different types of spam mails like Nigerian 419 scam, Trojan horse mail, email spoofing, unsolicited bulk email, phishing scam, and political or terrorist spam. Now we see each and every spam or scam emails in detail. This table shows the email spam by topic, where most of the users receive pharmacy spam emails, and also we see the weight loss emails being the least. Now, Nigerian 419 scam emails. This is one of the most common email that we experience in our daily life. In which a sender from far location from a different country or a continent sends a email in bulk informing the user that the user has won some lottery or prize. He or she asks the user to pay some partial amount in order to claim the reward, which is very fake. Sometimes he or she asks the user to fill the forms in order to capture important information. So this is one of the serious scam emails that is very popular, and many users are affected because of this type of mail. We see Trojan horse email. In this emails, the sender sends a mail to the user containing an attachment. This attachment may contain a spy virus or some malicious software. Upon user downloading this software unintentionally, it software affect the system. They may create a virus in the system or destroy the components of this operating system. In many cases, they also install some intended softwares where they capture all the activity of the user where the user doesn't know what is happening. So these are the Trojan horse mails that needs to be dealt with. Email spoofing. This is one of the spam emails in which the spammer sends the email to the user with the spoofed email IDs that looks exactly same like a well-established organization. The mail content makes the user trap. The user lives in illusion that the mail he or she is receiving from a well-known organization, but this is sent by the spammer. The spammer here tries to capture all the important information, passwords, uh, by sending these mails to the user. Whenever the user clicks on the links present in this email and fills the forms, all the content will be known to the spammer. This is a mail mainly used in order to uh, uh, achieve identity theft of the users. We see consolidated bulk emails. These are the mails which are sent by small companies by capturing the email IDs of the users through online surveys or any other means. So they send all the advertisement content such as weight loss, online degree programs, or same offers or lottery tickets, etc. Where the user did not subscribe or intended to get. So this emails fill the inbox of the user where the user is confused between the original intended mails and unintended mails. Next we see phishing scam mails. In this, the hacker or the spammer creates websites that looks exactly similar to the original website of a banking or insurance or e-commerce sites. So whenever the user clicks on the links and enters the website and gives all this banking information or the credit card information in a fake website, the a hacker or the spammer will capture all this banking information. So this is a potential and high risk to the users where all the identity and the banking and important sensitive information is lost. Political or terrorist spam mails. These are the mails sent by the spammers in the spoof of some government or well-established agencies, informing the user about some threat or creating some panic among the people. These are the serious emails which the user may feel afraid because of some dangerous announcements like that. So these are the following scam or spam emails with the present email facilities facing issues. Having seen the potential risk of the spam, now we devise a solution in order to handle it by using spam filters. Spam filters are installed at the server side or at the user level They basically function in order to identify the mail as a spam or non-spam. Such non-spam emails are generally called as ham mails. So in our project, we deal with machine learning algorithms in order to identify the mail as spam or a ham. Machine learning is one of the emerging fields in the computer science that deals with the ability of a computer to learn by itself than being programmed explicitly. Machine learning algorithms are classified into two types. They are supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning is defined as given input sample x or output samples y. We need to find the function y equal to f of x so that the machine would learn and evaluate on new data. In simple terms, simple supervised learning will build our model on the labeled data set and we analyze on the new data set. Next we see unsupervised learning. In this we do not have output sample outputs. We have only the input and we need to formulate the function and build our model. Unsupervised learning deals with building a model directly on the unlabeled data set. The different supervised learning is further divided into two types, the classification and regression, whereas unsupervised learning is divided into clustering. These are the famous algorithms in the supervised learning. They are k-nearest neighbors, naive-bayes, logistic or linear regression, support vector machines, also called as SVM, decision trees, random forest, and neural networks. There are so many types of machine learning algorithms and supervised learning, these are the most commonly used ones. We have unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning mainly deals with clustering algorithms. They are k-means clustering, topic model, neural networks.